What's the difference between the S10, the S10 Plus, and the S10e, and what does S10e stand for? Samsung really didn't give an answer to what the E at the end of S10e stands for. I'm assuming it's economic, because it's the cheapest one of the 3 phones that Samsung's released. So you think of the S10 brand similar to what the iPhone's done. They have the iPhone XS Max, which is their flagship, big, more expensive phone. They have the XS, which is their middle range, and they have the XR, which is their economy or budget range. Samsung did the same thing. They have the S10 Plus, which is their large flagship that's over $1,000. They have the S10, which is their mid-range and a little bit smaller, and that's about $1,000. And then they have the S10e, which is their economy or budget, which is under $900, so it's about $700. So as economic as $700 could be, that is going to be their economic version of a smartphone nowadays, I guess. So the main difference between the 3 is that the S10e only has 1 camera. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles that the larger phones have, like the built-in fingerprint scanner. The S10e has a fingerprint scanner on the side. The S10 and S10 Plus have the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner built in. They both have triple camera displays. The S10e only has a dual camera display. So you can really think of that phone as the economic version of the 3 phones, but it's probably also the best phone for the average consumer. I always say that the average consumer doesn't really care about all the specs and all the Snapdragon processors and all that stuff. It really is it going to work? Is it going to do what you need to do? Does it look cool when you're holding it? And I think the S10e does all that. It checks all those boxes. It looks really cool. The design is really spot on. It does everything that it needs to do. It's still snappy. It's still fast. It still has those great cameras, and it still has a nice fingerprint scanner, and it has a better display than the iPhone XR. So it really is sitting in that economic class above the rest. We've done a lot of videos on the S10 Plus. Check some of those out on the channel. We have some features, we have some troubleshooting, we have a plethora of videos for you to consume. If you have any questions, thoughts, or comments, share those in the comment section below the video. Thank you so much for checking it out. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, share the videos to others. They may find something useful in here to help. Until next time, peace.